Oh my God!
Copy. We captured the horse spawn. Right corner! Cover your people!
Move up, you guys! Move up!
Move up!
How long till the respawn?
We don't, 2 minutes? Oh, there you go. We're moving up on the hill, pushing past the horse spawn. I didn't know we have a juggernaut. Hey, the shield is up by the 2 cylinders on your side. Oh, he's out. He's a juggernaut. He can't go down.
15 seconds! 15 seconds to respawn!
I'm moving up with the group. Visibility limited.
Respawn!
Oh. I'm moving up with the group. Visibility limited. Copy. We're all the way up to the edge of the town on the right side. Copy. Give me 2 minutes. God dang it. This is gonna suck. Ugh. Hey! Squad! Load up! We need to get some cover fire here so the left side can move forward. Want you to put some cover fire, keep them down, alright? Start firing! Load him up! Go, go, go. We're moving up, firing. They're getting pushed back. Looks like your left side's starting to retreat. Hit! I'm hit, I'm down. Hey, right side on the hill! Fire at the tower! Jesus. I gotta get up there.
No, it's up below right there. We cleared all this. It's below.
Damn. Not much food in here. I got it. I'm good. Whew.
What are you guys doing? Come on!
Alright, I'm gonna get him up. I'm gonna get up. Hold on. Yo, yo, yo! We need to get some fire on these buildings! Just shoot! Did I just get hit? Or did you just tap me? Huh? You tap me? Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's go! Open fire!
Let him have it!
Alright, we start firing. Move up, move up.
Alright! Fire! Fire!
Fire! Hey! Ref, fire, fire, fire! Cease fire! Cease fire! Hey! Move back down the hill! Move down the hill! Yo, hey! Move down the hill! Move down the hill! Hey! Move! 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 Move it! Down the hill! Everybody! Let's go! Get down!
That's how the community comes together. Let me get a
Gunny, you got it? Hey, let's go. Move down, move down, move down, move down. Everybody off the hill. Go down that way. There's embers and smoldering, believe me, dude. You're gonna have to restart anyway. We're probably just gonna respawn. Head down the hill. If that thing blazes up, I don't want you running down this thing, alright? So just head down to the spawn. Horse spawn. Head down to the horse spawn, kiddo. Head down. Head down to that one over there. It's a little farther. Alright. Hey! All you guys hanging on the side, head down to the horse spawn. Let's go. Front line! Fire so we can move up! But just wait 5 minutes because it'll take me that long to get up there. Alright, let's go.
Right here. Horse right here. Is it full now? Oh. You're good. One side roll the way, you're good to respawn. Hey, Garrett, leave my revolver. The donkey right there, and then you gotta make it to the top of the hill.
Just keep my head down anyway. They're just hanging back on the tower, shooting down the hill.
Yeah.
Tell me when you want me to light them up. Just tell me when you want me to light it up. Far right side.
Push it down, you guys. Push that way. Get that cover.
Copy. Move up, move up, move up! Hey, lay some cover down so we can move up! Terrain's a little tougher on this side.
How many people you have on your phone?
Just one, just the commander on the other side.
We're gonna try and get a coordinated push. There's two people over there are gonna coordinate from that side.
Copy.
If we all fucking move, they can't get us.
Just tell me
They
when.
can't get all of us.
Okay, we're gonna try to get a coordinated push.
Pass the line down.
Hit. Where? Really?
Everyone open.
I'm right here, man. You're going.
On him.
Dude, what song we listening to, boy? Oh, yeah, recap. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. I knew that, man.
Tower down. Tower's down.
Hold on.
Tower down!
I can't see those I'm trying to shoot.
How are you guys on your side?
We're up there, get lucky.
Center building! Window! We are -1 LMG. We don't have the LMG anymore. Hit?
I think we should get everybody.
Come on down, come on down. Come on down. Don't hit me in the head, don't hit me in the head, don't hit me in the head, don't hit me in the head.
Push up, push up.
Bullshit! Hey, at the, behind the little barrel thing. Whatever that thing is.
Come on, you fucking whack-a-mole.
Copy. Alright. There's one. What? I'm out of ammo. I'm good.
Lynn?
Huh?
I see your name.
Oh, Lim?
Lynn?
Yeah.
Shit sucks.
Yeah. Hey.
Getting behind it. Walking around all this shit trying to see a good way.
No. This sucks.
Do not get in front of me.
Alright. We're gonna bounding fire.
He's right there behind that white thing.
See him? See him right there?
Oh, you can't shoot through the net.